Parts of the country this summer are experiencing record-breaking temperatures. How do you incorporate a heat illness prevention plan into your overall health and safety program? We're going to find out next. According to OSHA, dozens of workers die and thousands more become ill every year while working in extreme heat or humid conditions. As an employer, under OSHA's General Duty Clause, you're responsible to provide a workplace free of known safety hazards. In this case, the hazard would be high temperatures in the work environment. According to OSHA, the three key words when it comes to safety around hot weather are water, rest, and shade. If someone is experiencing heat-related illness, help them to the shade or air conditioning. In an emergency, OSHA recommends cold water or an ice bath to cool the person immediately. Call 911 and do not leave the worker alone. If someone is in trouble, do you have a way to easily put together ice in bags or a large container? Do you have fans available and towels that can be wet down with cold water as an alternative? When hot weather hits, give workers a chance to acclimate. Encourage workers to frequently consume fluids such as water or sports drinks. In extreme weather, consider shorter shifts and more frequent breaks. Consider posting reminders about heat illness and prevention and address this topic in your team meetings. Give your employees a chance to offer feedback and ideas. When you establish a safety culture, your employees will look out for each other. In addition to behavior and training, engineering controls can also be helpful. Air conditioning, when possible, fans, and increased airflow help to keep the temperature manageable. What can contribute to occupational heat exposure? According to OSHA, contributors include physical activity, air temperature, humidity, sunlight, heat sources, air movement, and protective gear that may hamper the body's ability to lose excess heat. Of course, there are also risk factors that go beyond the shop environment. These can include medical conditions, lack of physical fitness, previous episodes of heat-related illness, alcohol or drugs in a person's system, or certain medications. However, anyone can experience heat-related illness, so it's important to be considerate of all your employees. For more information about how you and your employees can stay cool, visit osha.gov/heat exposure. This content was based on an article that SP2 wrote for BodyShop Business. For more training guidance from SP2, visit sp2.org. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.